Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, October 14th. Just going to run through the morning charts here. Yesterday we saw gold pretty much flatline in the morning, and I pointed out that there was a bit of a consolidation pattern on the daily chart, and was looking into taking a long position. Anyways, shortly after that, gold just popped and broke out, and then it pretty much flatlined for the rest of the day. This morning we're seeing gold. It continued up early this morning, and it's just pulling back down into this consolidation range, which is around the 1370 75 area. So we could see it taper back down, and from there we'll see how the market plays out. Right now, simply it made its measured move from yesterday, which I'll show you on the GLD chart in a minute. But pretty much it made a bull flag in the afternoon. If you take this measured move here, flip it to the upside, it puts us right up to pretty much this high that it touched this morning. So I'll just show you that on the GLD chart here. Now if I pull the GLD chart, alright, here's the daily chart of gold, gold spiders. Now here's the little bullish pennant or consolidation pattern here. And I mentioned yesterday it looked like it was riding the 5-period moving average up, and risk was nice and low, and pretty much I mentioned that it looked like it was going to pop. Anyways, it did pop right after that, and it kind of took off. Now if I go to the intraday chart here, actually I'll just pull up the chart I did yesterday. Here's the chart I did yesterday. Posted it in the afternoon showing that we had the pop in the morning. It just ran straight up, pretty much formed a bull flag, and then I took a measured move, which is from the breakout level to the top of the flag. If you flip that to the upside, you get about 135.50. So anyways, this morning we pretty much saw gold move up in pre-market, almost hit the 135.50 area. Since then it's been pulling back down. So it made its measured move more or less, and now it's pulling back down, and it's coming down into the support zone, which this area here, let me just this area here is yesterday's consolidation, and this was the bull flag right here. So it's going to pull back down. It's going to find support in here today, which is around the 1370 1375 area for spot gold price. So that's what I think is just going to happen today. I don't know which way it'll go, but probably just going to fluctuate a little bit and trade pretty much flat on the day. Because it made its measured move this morning and is pulling back down, I don't really see any type of intraday play unfolding. There's not enough price action going on, and there really isn't a pattern. It just pretty much popped and dropped back down to support. So that's what I see for gold right now, pretty much neutral on the day. If we pull up the US dollar, I pointed out a couple days ago that we had this nice run up. It's trading at the top of its range, and it had come down and was forming a possible triple bottom, or if this triple bottom was broken there, we'd see a pretty sharp drop, and of course that would actually help boost equities and metal prices. And it was very similar to what we saw back here, and it did break that level, and this is what I feel as though we're coming into now, is a bit of a drop. And since we did have a sharp drop there, we'll probably see some type of consolidation today, and we'll see the US dollar take a bit of a breather, which will put a little bit of down pressure on gold and equities, and that's in line with an overbought market condition for stocks and gold. So I could see a little bit of profit taking and a little bit of bounce in the US dollar here. Now if we take a quick look at the SP futures, just pull up the daily chart. Okay, so what we're seeing here is we're having a continued run up, and it's just grinding its way higher without any real corrections. It's just coming down, touching the moving averages, and then going back up. This pattern right here, this kind of started to flatten out, and then it just started to hook back up again. This is very similar to what we saw. Just zoom out a little bit back into February, March, April rally, and you pretty much have this move up, starts to flatten out a bit, and then it starts to hook up, and it starts to become very choppy in here. And so I feel as though the market is trading somewhere right in this area, And this is usually when you get a pretty good surge. Volatility will start to pick up probably in a week or so if this is how the market's playing out, and then we'll most likely see the market roll over. But right now the trend is still up. Every dip is being bought, and the U.S. dollar. There's a lot of printing going on, so the U.S. dollar just continues to devalue. And as long as that dollar keeps dropping, we're going to see equity prices continue to get inflated up. So that's pretty much where we stand with the market right now. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.